I'd only expect this type of stunt from truly stupid people. There's a difference between being a bad driver or being an idiot. The way I can tell the driver was thinking he'd be so cool if he just crashed into that guy. I feel so bad for the people who have to drive around these types. If I was in this person's position, I'd never drive again. If I would drive, I'd drive with the fear that idiots like this man would be on the road and do God knows what. These two cars were not in the mood for driving. Instead, they were in the mood for crashing their cars and losing millions of dollars for the repairs. What a delightful way to start your day. I'd just love to have my car thrown by a Jeep and a traffic cone. It's my favorite thing to do. This accident was totally the impatient truck driver's fault. You cannot say otherwise. If you illegally speed and run a red light, you shouldn't expect anything less. That driver really switched through not one but two lanes in seconds when he saw another car coming. He was just waiting for the perfect moment to cause problems. What type of game do these people think driving is? Do they think when their car crashes they can just restart? Talk about being overdramatic. That's one of the most dramatic accidents ever. You see the lines on the road? Yeah, you're not supposed to cross that. Anytime I'm having a rough day, I watch this and immediately cheer up. This is my favorite out of all of them. The poor plants really went through it. This driver was really moving his car as if it were a Mario Kart game. Not one, but two cars had to face the consequences of being on the road at the same time as this driver. That was such a lame accident. If you're gonna ruin someone's car, at least ruin it with some action so it has some good outcome. I love how the car jiggles after the crash as a reaction. The jiggling is so cute, even though the car isn't gonna look cute. Where did this guy even come from? He's like the little bug in your bathroom whenever you go to shower or something. Unwanted and annoying.
What a dummy! Speeding and weaving through traffic on a very clean and easy new road to drive on. Couldn't even do that and ruined their entire day. Ow! Oh my gosh. What a close call. Dude handled it like a boss. Man, that was a close call. Oh my gosh! Just so you can make it off your exit, gotta go through the